welcome to my channel. It's your girl Shela, and if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Today's video is just going to be a short, sweet video on how I apply my eyelashes for beginners. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. But don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of what you think of my eyelash tutorial. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join the pretty girl gang. Anyway, y'all, let's jump right into the video. Hi guys, so let's jump right into the video. Anyway, I'm going to be using the Fox mink lashes. They're a 3D multi-layer effect. I guess they're by Soul. I'm not sure who they're by. There's some pretty lashes, and you're gonna need some mascara, of course, of your choice. I have the Total Temptations by Maybelline, and then you're gonna need, of course, your glue. I'm gonna be using the hair glue, the Super Hold 30 Seconds by Salon Pro, but you also can use the Duo or whatever other kind you have, but I'm going to be using this one for the sake of this video. Also, you're going to need an eyelash holder or some tweezers, whatever your preference. So what you're going to do is you're just going to open your eyelashes, get them out the box or whatever you got them in. And be very careful with your lashes because you don't want them to break. They look really pretty, y'all. They look dope. So what you're going to do is you're just going to make sure that you slide your lashes off of the thing so that they won't break. So just slide them off just like that, y'all, so they won't break. Just pull it down. Pull them down off of the thing because it's tacky already. But we're going to apply our own glue. And we're going to start with this eye first. So my left is your right. And we're going to start with this one first. Leave a comment down below if you ever use the 3D Fox mink lashes with the, I think it says the multi-layer effect. That's cute. I never used this kind before. And you're just going to shake your glue up. And you just want to apply just a little bit of glue, y'all. You don't want to apply a lot of glue because you don't need that much glue. So you need enough, but just not like a whole lot. So you're just going to apply it. What you're going to do is just going to blow it. But while I'm blowing it, I'm going to multitask and go ahead and put my mascara on. So you're just going to put your mascara on or whatever. Just a little layer. You don't need a lot. I do this just so that like when I get ready to put my lashes on, I'm going to like actually take my fingers and just push them together so that it'll get a closer effect. So yeah. So you're gonna blow this. It says 30 seconds. So until it gets tacky. When it gets tacky, it's time to apply your lash. Don't let it get too tacky because then it won't stick. But tacky enough. And a little glue does not take long to dry. So what you're gonna do is I'm gonna apply it. I'm using my mirror over here, y'all, so bear with me. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna apply it, and you're not gonna apply it to the you're not gonna apply this lash to the like inner corners of your eye because it'll irritate your eye. So you're just gonna place it in the middle. Let me see if I can show y'all guys without. I'll put it on here first, and then I'll show you. Okay, and when you have your eyelashes on like that, then you're going to take your fingers and put it on there. Like I said, don't put it so close to the center. I haven't got mine completely applied, but you're going to put it towards like closest to your eyelashes, and your real eyelashes as possible. Then you're going to take your finger and just smash the lashes along like your real lashes. Now, you can use tweezers for this method, but I prefer my fingers. I get a better grip with it. And like I said, I like these eyelashes holder. They're like really dope and very convenient. Some people use the tweezers. It's easier for me to use this. So don't be tripping if you can't get it with these, and you can get it better with the tweezers. It's up to you. Because I like the back end. Like you can actually come in here and just make sure your lash is on. And I'll just show you guys up close how it looks. These lashes are really dope. They're really pretty. And then you're going to go ahead and start the next one. Like I said, you don't want to put it too close to the inner corners of your eye because it irritates the living hell out of you. the living H out of you. So remember that when you applying your lashes. Then you're going to get your next lash off of the thing. You can get it off with your fingers, like, but be very careful, like I said, because when you mess up your lashes, sis, you be mad. Because I know I had a couple mistakes where I just was trying to be so fast doing my lashes, and I broke them. Because I was like, and then they don't be like the expensive lashes. They be the little cheap ones that are really thick. And you be mad because you be finna go out and you be like, ooh. That's why I keep me a backup. That's how much glue you're going to apply again. This one should be a more in-depth look of how I apply my lashes because it's closer to you guys. I already did my wing liner. Yes, honey. So, what you're going to do is just blow this lash. Like I said, only 30 seconds to dry it. You can tell when it gets tacky, it starts to get a little darker in color. Because when you first apply the glue, it looks kind of gray. But as you apply it, then it looks, after it dries a little bit, or starts to get tacky, it starts to get this like kind of matte black. So I don't know if you guys can see the lash glue, but whatever. Now I feel like it's tacky enough, so what you're gonna do is you're just gonna go, like I said, and try to get it the same size, like the same way on the other side. Don't try to put one so close to the inner side that you didn't do that side, because it's gonna look off. So what you're going to do is just apply it straight to the center of your eye. And you're just going to drop it. Like, not drop it, but, like, place it. So, like I said, I didn't, like, go ahead and mash it together. Simply because, for the sake of this video, I'm just showing you guys how to apply it. So, you see that there's, like, this, I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of like a little line. Like, you can see my real lashes under there. So, or like the little like gap in between my lashes. And you don't want that. So, that's why I said apply mascara. Because when you apply the mascara, it actually gives you a good hold. What you're going to do is just take your fingers and just smash it together. I don't like saying smash, but just push it together. Just push it. And then you can even take the back of your eyelash holder just to make sure your eyelashes are down. So like I said, y'all, that's just how I apply my lashes. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It was lit how this video like shows you in depth of how to do your lashes. Y'all, these were the lashes that I used. They are the Soul and the number FML003. They're the Fox Mink 3D multi-layer effect. Thank you guys for tuning in to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed my eyelash tutorial for beginners. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of what you thought of my eyelash tutorial for beginners. And also, don't forget to leave suggestions and ideas of videos that you want to see me do. And also, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join the Pretty Girl gang. And I'll see you guys in my next freaking video. Thanks, guys, for watching. Peace. She's for days.